through. Mkhitaryan through. Aubameyang here. This is for 4-1. Aubameyang beyond Boric. And calmly.
What's going on, people? Military Guna TV again. Back with you again with heating up news, hitting the social stratosphere, they would say. Pep Guardiola has been given a new 2-year contract, and I think that they also handed him $100 million transfer budget. Is this ideal? We're not sure, but what we do know is that they have really concreted a world-class manager in their team. Also, that they have given him the funds for him to succeed. And we know that at this point in time, things are not looking so good at the club. But is it a good choice? Is it a good option? If Manchester City should get rid of Pep Guardiola, who would they bring into the team? Which manager out there at this current moment is more successful and can win titles guaranteed than Pep Guardiola? You can question that. A few, Allegri, Conte, just a few, but that can be questioned because he is one of the best managers in the game at this moment. But the $100 million budget, that is quite massive. Also, strong possibility that we might see Lionel Messi coming in the Premier League at this time. And is that something good? Differs to tell. We don't know as yet. But we are now sure that Pep Guardiola is in charge, and I've even seen recent news stating that Sergio Aguero is willing to hand over his number 10 shirt just to facilitate Lionel Messi coming inside the squad and allowing the squad to be a better and a stronger squad. And we know that Manchester City squad is an extremely powerful squad and can cause massive problems. But at this point in time, we all don't know what will happen. But we know for sure now that Pep Guardiola has been given a new contract. But take this into perspective. Which manager out there right now that is available that Manchester City could go for? Maybe Allegri, maybe. Pochettino, he hasn't won anything. He's a good manager, but he hasn't won anything. But at the end of the day, they have sealed the deal of getting the best manager in the game. But at this point in time, I would definitely want to say I would love to see him stepping up his game, because I know that he has the quality. But so far we have seen not much of him this season, or the latter stages of this season. But I think that he has the ability to put in another gear and get in some fresh set of players who can play his ideal system that we all know that he has concrete. Get rid of some of the older players who have now been worn out. But question, is this something good for the Premier League? For Arsenal, no, because Mikel Arteta needs time, and giving Pep Guardiola a $100 million budget is massive. And I think that many of the clubs in the Premier League will face it or will feel it, because we know that Pep Guardiola's teams are very hard to beat, and he will definitely be reigning dominance at some point in time within the next 2 or 3 years again, and we know that is a fact. But at this point in time, we definitely say thank you very much for tuning in. These are some heated things happening at this moment. Oh, one thing, the Dominic Szoboszlai deal is getting very much heated. So I am on the road, and I dropped this bit because I saw the media just popped up immediately, and I said, okay, I have to do something on this. But thank you very much for tuning in again. Please share, like, and subscribe.